y'all. Today we're going to learn a beginner tap step called a buffalo. Shuffle off to buffalo. I believe it's named after the city, not the animal. We're going to break it down really slow, and then we're going to do a little practice combo so that you can get a lot of practice in on this step. All right, let's do it. All right, we're going to start our buffalo with our leg connected here in the front like this. And so my foot is flexed, and I'm just gonna bring it right here in front, okay? And that's what we're gonna come back to. The steps are leap, shuffle, leap. Those are the steps in our buffalo. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap in tap dancing is switching your weight from side to side. So this is a leap, 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 leap. You don't actually have to even move side to side. It's just switching your weight with like a little jump or leap over to the side. So a step would just be stepping, and a leap has a little more flavor to it, a little more oomph. Versus a hop, if in other things when we do a hop doesn't change your weight, it just goes up and down. But today we're working on leaps. So a leap, a shuffle, and a leap. That shuffle has two sounds. It's gonna brush away and then back to you. So we're gonna do shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. When we're doing our buffaloes to the right, only the left leg is gonna shuffle. So right buffalo, but left foot shuffle. So you start connected here, and we're gonna leap over onto that right leg, leap, you're gonna do a shuffle, shuffle, and then you're gonna leap back. And I'm gonna bring that leg right back there to connect. Again, it's gonna look like this. I start here, and I'm gonna leap, and then I'm gonna shuffle, and then I'm gonna leap. Yes? I'm showing it to you nice and slow right now, so I'm letting my heel drop. But ultimately, we wanna stay up on the balls of our feet. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. Yes? Okay. So let's just try them on the right side. You can travel these and go, 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 but I'm just gonna stay in place right here. Let's start slow. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. We go. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. You can use your arms for balance. Leap, shuffle, leap. One more. Very nice. So on your left side, your right foot's gonna shuffle. So I'm gonna put my left foot here. I'm gonna leap over. I'm gonna shuffle my right foot. I'm gonna leap back. Remember that shuffle is just two brushes away and back. Nice little smooth movements. Brush, brush, okay? So we're here. We're gonna leap over, leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. Okay? So try it with me. We'll do a couple of them, more than a couple in a row. So we're here. Like I said, use those arms for balance if you need to. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. We go. Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. I'm trying to stay up on the balls of my feet. Leap, shuffle, leap. Try it a few more times. Go. Leap, shuffle, leap. Nice, very nice. So those are our buffalo. Now we're just gonna practice them in a sequence so that you can practice them and get better. So we're gonna do 7 buffalo on your right. If you have room and you wanna practice traveling, you can move with this. But for purposes of staying in the camera, I'm gonna keep them in place. So I'm gonna do 7 buffalo on my right leg. Ready? 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'm gonna go stamp, clap. I love stamp, clap. It's a great, nice little like period to or an exclamation point to the end of a phrase. So all you're doing is standing, let that toe and heel go down. It's like a loud step, and then you clap. That's on 7, 8. So 7 buffalo and a stamp, clap. Ready? 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stamp, clap. Yeah. Now your left foot's free, and we're just going to reverse it. 7 buffalo and a stamp, clap. Ready? 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stamp, clap. Yeah? Very nice. Now, we're going to cut it down to 3 buffalo and a stamp, clap. Right and left. So it's going to go like this. 3 buffalo. 5, 6, 7, leap, shuffle, leap. 2, 3, then we stamp, clap. That rhythm was all over the place, but then we're going to go back to the left. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. 4, 3, 2, 1, then we stamp, clap. So now we did 3 and 3 from the 7. Now we're going to go down to 1 buffalo and a stamp, clap. So it's going to look like this. Leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. And then your left foot's going to go leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Let's just try it on the right though. Ready? 5, 6, 1 buffalo. Go leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Try it on your right again. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. On your right. Stamp, clap. Yes? That was a weak sounding clap. Single on your left. Leap, shuffle, leap. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. Go 1, stamp, clap. Again. 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap on your left. Yeah, right and left together. Leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Ready? 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap. 4, 1, stamp, clap. Then 1. Now you're going to do it again. So we go right, left, right, left. So we're going to do it 4 times in a row. Ready? 5, 6, leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Left side. Again. 1 more. Very nice. So when we start to change directions like that pretty quickly, it might do something crazy to your brain where your foot's like, what's happening? That's normal. It's perfectly fine. You're just going to have to practice it a little more, and that's okay. It happens to everyone. When we do 7 this way, our brain's like really set on shuffling that left foot, and it's kind of hard to switch it. So it's not just you if that's happening, just so you know. All right, so the whole combo is 7 buffalo and a stamp, clap. 7 buffalo and a stamp, clap. 3 buffalo and a stamp, clap. 3 buffalo and a stamp, clap. 1 stamp, clap. 1 stamp, clap. 1 stamp, clap. 1 stamp, clap. Okay? 7, 7, 3, 3, single, 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 single. Ready? Leap, shuffle, leap. Leap, shuffle, leap. That's the tempo we're going to go at right now. Ready? This is pretty good for cardio too if you're looking to get your heart rate a little bit elevated. Here it is. Ready? 7 buffalo and a stamp, clap. Ready? 5, 6, 7, leap, shuffle, leap. 1, 2, leap, shuffle, leap. This is 5, 6, 7, stamp, clap. Left side, 4, 7. This is 5, this is 6, this is 7, stamp, clap. Now we do 3, 3, stamp, 3 to your left, leap, shuffle, leap, stamp, clap. Now a single, leap, shuffle, leap, and a stamp, clap, leap, shuffle, leap, and a stamp, clap. 2 more. Last one. Yeah, very nice. If you're having trouble with switching side to side, start thinking ahead. After stamp, clap, your first step is always going to be a leap. So So when we did da, da, I know that next foot's gonna go into that leap, so my right foot has to shuffle. That might help a little bit, all right? Try it again, try it again, try it again, try it again, try it again. As many times as you need to. And when you're ready, let's go a little bit faster. All right, so when you're ready for faster, here's the tempo of our buffaloes. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. If that seems really fast right now, if you're brand new to tap dancing, when you practice and more and more and more, you can get faster and faster. If you can do it slow, you can do it fast. I promise you. So don't let it discourage you if you're not there yet. Just stand up and try it. See what happens. Leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap, leap, shuffle, leap. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stand, clap. Now we go 7, 5, 6, 7. Now 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, stand, clap. 1, 2, 3. Now the singles. 1 and a single. Very nice. Great job, y'all. Those were your buffaloes, buffali, I'm not sure. Go and practice them as many times as you need to. Put on your favorite song. Try a couple different songs, different tempos. They should, that 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 should match up with just about any song. Maybe down in the description below, I'll give you some examples of songs that would be good slower and faster tempos that you can try it with. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and hope you enjoyed it. You're doing something really great for yourself. Dancing is good for your body and your mind and your spirit, so good job, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.